Hi there guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks very much for joining us again today. Got a very short video tutorial for you today that'll show you how to add a cookie policy on Weebly. Just before I do so, if you haven't tried Weebly yet, or if you need access to a free trial version, then luckily for you there is a link in the description for this video that will allow you to do so. So click that link down below and that will take you through to a free trial version of Weebly for you to give it a go. So there is no built-in cookie kind of management system in Weebly. So when you go to the option which you access, I'll show you, go back a second, in the website editor, if you go to the settings area at the top of the menu, when you go down on the general page, down a little bit, it says paste a code snippet from any third-party cookie consent management service. So what happens is when you click learn more, it takes you through to a page which recommends a couple of third-party cookie management services, and this is the kind of first one that I go for. But however, there's 4 of them to choose from. You can click that link right there yourself if you want, that learn more link, and you know, you can sign into this for free with an email and access that. Once you sign in, this is the dashboard that appears, and you can, you know, set the cookie up and give it a declaration. A widget, you know, has the basic design features of it there. However, to access some of the best features of it, you're going to need to pay for the subscription. So without sort of any workaround really, you know, you're going to have to sort of pay for that system. Once you've set it up, whether you've paid in or not, if you hit the Your Scripts button on the right hand side, the tab, sorry, on the right hand side, you'll see that this little piece of code here is accessible to us. So what you need to do is select all of that and then copy it, Control-C on a computer, Command-C on a Mac, and then head back to your Weebly website. And then, as you'd imagine, you can just paste that code then into that banner there. So that's Control-V on a PC and Command-V on a Mac. Once you hit save and then publish that site, that'll be that cookie management system in place then on your website. So that concludes the tutorial. Like I said, you can access Weebly for absolutely free with a link in the description down below. If you've got any questions or comments or anything like that, you can also leave them just down below as well. And if you've enjoyed the video and you want to see more content of this nature, give us a like and subscribe to the channel. And thanks very much for watching. Goodbye.